Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to get Roblox Studio on mobile. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Let's start. First, you search for Roblox. First, you download Roblox on your Play Store if you don't have, and you upgrade or update your Roblox. So let's start. So here, this is my Roblox. I'll click. So it's opening. You wait patiently for it to open. Our motive is get Roblox Studio on mobile. So you wait for it to open. After it has opened like this, see down there, there's a menu. You have home, chat, avatar, party, and more. So here, but remember, is to get Roblox Studio on mobile. So you click on more. There's a menu here. To get Roblox Studio, you have to create. So you click on create. So it's loading. You wait patiently for it to load. It's loading here. I have network challenge at my end. So you see welcome to. So you go to home. Home, they have so many menus. You have home, creation, analyzer, finance, localization, right manager, as. So you go back here. You see here the landing page where it landed at. Here you will scroll down here. You see get Roblox Studio. You see that get Roblox Studio. Get Roblox Studio. You see download. So you click to download. So we are downloading it. So you wait patiently for it to download. So when you are downloading the studio, you then go to Play Store. So you search for Play Store on your phone. On Play Store, you search for this app. So you search for this file. So this file can able to make the studio make nice. So you search for this. You search for this file. DMG file operator. I see DMG file operator. So we search for DMG file operator. So this is it. DMG. So you click on it. So this is the DMG file operator. Then install. After you install, to help you set the studio nice. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.